Our Assalamu alaikum ji. Our today's presenter is Tanveer. He is MSc Agronomy, who is a lot of experience in plant growth regulator. Please welcome on the stage Tanveer.
First of all, good morning, everyone. Myself, Mohammad Tanveer Islam, and today's our topic of presentation is role of plant growth regulators in rice production, how it enhances its yield and also its resilience. Yeah, sir. सच नहीं है. So first of all, in this presentation, we will discuss about the introduction of the presentation and then different kinds of plant growth regulators. And also then we will discuss about the growth stages of rice and then why plant growth regulators are important for rice and the different roles of different plant growth regulators at different growth stages of rice production as well. And then at the end, we will discuss about the challenges and risks that farmers can face and as a researcher you can face as well in the production of rice by using a specific plant growth regulators. And then latest trends and research, and in the end we will discuss conclusion. So first of all, rice is also known as a major food crop worldwide, major cereal crop or staple food of Pakistan as well, and it is basically for high yield and resilience are very important for food security. So here the question rises: what is resilience? It is basically the ability of a body to withstand against any kind of a challenge, to resist against any kind of a stress or any external environmental factor. It may be internal as well. PGRs are basically the natural and synthetic chemicals that control plant growth, as we will discuss in the next slide as well. They are used to improve the rice plant performance as well, and we will explore its basic role in every growth stage of rice production. So, what are plant growth regulators? These are basically the chemical substances that influence plant growth and development. They can be synthetic and they are also uh, natural as well, some kind of a plant extract as well. They produce plant growth regulator for their development, germination, and growth as well. They are basically used in small amounts and can have a big effect on the entire body of the plant, uh, influencing its physiological and morphological changes as well. So, different types of plant growth regulators, in which we will discuss about the auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin. They are also known as growth promoters. On the other hand, ethylene and abscisic acid is also known as growth inhibitors, but they are also important for the proper high yielding production of the rice as well. So before discussing the role of plant growth regulators in rice, we should discuss about the different kind of germination growth stages of rice. In this procedure, the first growth stage is the seed germination stage. It is basically a very important stage for rice as well. Early root development and also leaf development stage as well. PGRs also perform better role in these stages as well. And then trailing stage, the more the tillers, the more will be the yield. And then the booting stage. It is also very crucial stage in rice production. And then stem elongation and panicle initiation. It is also known as panicle. And what is panicle? We will discuss in the next slides. And then grain filling stage, flowering stage, and then in the end, maturity stage. So sequence की खराब है वैसे. ऐसे basically seed generation stage, leaf development stage, tillering के बाद हमारी panicle elongation भी आएगी. Panicle elongation stage ये build करता है. नहीं है. Stem elongation. Panicle elongation टिलरिंग के बाद है बूटिंग स्टेज बेसिकली होता है पेनिकल स्वेल जब करके लीफ शीट के अंदर स्वेल होता है तो वहां से वो बेस बनाता है रिप्रोडक्टिव स्टेज को स्टार्ट करने के लिए, उसको बेसिकली बूटिंग स्टेज कहते हैं। नेक्स्ट ग्रीन फिलिंग फ्लावरिंग, सीक्वेंस थोड़ी सी खराब है बाकी स्टेज ही। एंड देन द इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई प्लांट ग्रोथ रेगुलेटर्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट इन राइस। As we all know, as an economist, as an agriculture, we all deal with high yielding. We all are aimed to produce high yielding crops as well. So for the better seed production and seed germination, we use PGRs as well. They improve root and shoot growth as well. They also increase grain size and grain number. Basically, it is about the quality and quantity of the rice production as well. And then they also help plants to fight against threats like drought or salinity. They create resistance or resilience in the plants. So first of all, what role of auxins in rice production? So for early growth stages of rice, we need a strengthened root system for nutrient uptake. For better nutrient root system, auxin plays a significant role. Like it develops the roots as well to support the tiller growth, boost root development as well, help in better nutrient and water uptake, and support early growth stages as well. And second growth promoter is gibberellin in rice production. Gibberellin is basically play a very important role in overall rice production as well. It helps in the panicle elongation. It promotes the tall and strong plants. It helps in flowering and seed formation as well, improve the grain filling and grain size. Overall, gibberellin is very important for high quality and high quantity production of rice. So to understand the panicle is basically the rice plant is the part where the grains are formed. Like these are the clusters of flowering structures where grains starting to form. It is very important for rice to produce maximum yield. So the next third growth promoter is cytokinin. As we all know that cytokinin plays a significant role in cell division as well in rice production. It basically encourages more branches and tillage formation. That is very important for the yield as well. It delays the leaf aging, that is also known as senescence. It improves overall plant health. So to understand the leaf senescence, it is basically the natural aging and death of a leaf. Cytokinin आपके कार्य के exert करता है branches and tillage. Yes, sir. Who said this? And how much concentration is required for the encouragement of branches? एग्जैक्ट कंसंट्रेशन के लिए सर हमें थोड़ा डीप रिसर्च करनी पड़ेगी और वो डिपेंड स्टडी किया था कि ये ऐसा डिले करता है लीफ की साइटोकाइन। इतनी डिटेल से सर हमारे प्रेजेंटेशन में नहीं पाया। अच्छा अगर रेफरेंस दे देते हैं आप तो क्या होता है पीएचडी लेवल के ऊपर इस तरह की प्रेजेंटेशन चल जाती है। मास्टर्स और पीएचडी लेवल के ऊपर आप कोई भी नाम लिखते हो ना, it must be a scientifically referred, ठीक है। उसमें चीजें थोड़ी सी इस तरह चीजें होनी चाहिए। So the next first growth inhibitor and also known as growth regulator, abscisic acid in rice. It helps the rice plant survive during the drought conditions. Like it creates resilience or resistance within the plants. Like it helps in seed development and dormancy as well. Dormancy can also be helpful for plants during the drought condition or salinity condition that can affect the overall production and yield of rice. It also controls the water loss by closing leaf pores. As we all know that they are called stromata. So the last plant growth regulator is ethylene in rice production. It helps in uniform flowering and fruiting. As ethylene are very important for fruit setting and to produce aroma as well. So it speeds up the grain ripening, and there is also one precaution that it must be used carefully because too much ethylene can also damage your entire crop as well. So the next important question is how PGRs improve resilience. PGR strengthens plant against environmental challenges like abscisic area helps plants survive drought and salt stress, as we discussed before as well. It highly regulates stress responses and cytokinetics delay aging during stressful conditions. Options has been better and better root systems for drought tolerance. So for the application of plant growth regulators in for rice, better rice production, there are typically three methods used. First is seed treatment, coating of seeds with PGR that required a very control or strategical management as well. On the second is foliar spray, spraying PGRs on the foliage, and then the soil application, adding PGRs to the soil as well. And basically the challenges and risks that farmers and researchers can face during the whole process of plant growth regulators in rice production. For example, wrong timing and wrong dose can harm plants overall production. Like we have to know our amount of PGR that we are applying in field, and we should know the correct timing and specific site that there we are applying. So basically, we need expert advice for correct use. Good quality PGRs can be expensive for small farmers as well, and at the last, overuse can cause serious damage to the crop. For the latest trends and researches for this nano PGRs, researchers are working on nano PGRs as well for better delivery and effects for more accuracy, like nano auxins and nano gibberellins, and gene editing rice varieties that required better that respond better to PGRs. And then eco-friendly natural PGRs like plant extract and humic acid as well from the waste material. They are also used for better production, and new methods like drones and smart sprays are used to apply at the specific site of a field rather than applying to the whole field. That can be costly for the farmers as well. And at the end, conclusion. As we all know, PGRs are very important for rice production, growth, yield, and also for their resilience as well. Each PGR has a special function at different stages of rice. Proper use and increases productivity and reduce crop loss, supports the sustainable rice farming even under stresses. Smart PGR management is equal to stronger, high yielding rice crops. And thank you.
Tanveer, बहुत अच्छी presentation आपका है जितना ये knowledge है जैसे वीडियो आर्टिकल है कभी कोई भी कभी आर्टिकल ये इस टॉपिक पे तो you can question तो ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन करेगा उसके ज़्यादा नंबर लगेंगे भाई साहब ये सब कोई सोने आ गई एक्सीलेंट नेक्स्ट किसकी प्रेजेंटेशन आ जाए